Kim Aiken Jr. appeared in court today after missing his first court appearance the day before Thanksgiving. The judge now ordering Aiken Jr. and two of his former teammates to have a joint trial for their sexual assault and hazing allegations. Former New Mexico State basketball players Deshaundre Washington and Dr. Bradley pled not guilty in a November arraignment, all accused of sexual assault, false imprisonment, and conspiracy against other former players. During that hearing, Kim Aiken Jr. not present. He currently plays basketball overseas. At the time, his attorney said he was not able to come to the U.S.
Mr. Aiken is in no way trying to avoid these charges. He is seeking justice in this matter.
But today, the judge has given special permission for the players to continue their professional careers.
We're really pleased with the hearing today. Mr. Aiken's allowed to continue working in Luxembourg. The judge gave us a Track 3 assignment, which we feel is appropriate given the amount of discovery involved, the amount of interviews and investigation that needs to go into this case.
Two of the former players sitting just one bench apart in the courthouse. A topic of conversation in the courtroom, how many days they would have until trial.
This case is one that requires fast and swift trials for many, many good reasons.
The judge granted a motion for additional time to prepare for trial.
A lot of times with justice, quick is not correct. So we're glad that we have the time to investigate the case and make sure that Mr. Aiken receives his proper defense.
The judge giving Bradley permission to travel abroad and play professionally. Washington's attorney says their client has offers to play in Spain and Mexico. According to the court documents, the trial is set to begin on October 2024, but our KOAT legal expert says that date can be changed at any time by the judge. In the studio, Stephanie Muniz, KOAT Action 7 News.
In total, Deshaundre Washington is facing 13 charges and up to 26 years in jail. Dr. Bradley facing the exact same charges, and as for Kim Aiken Jr., 13 charges and up to 24 years in jail.